In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 laptop. So to check and to view Wi-Fi password, firstly click on Start, then Settings. In here, click on Network and Internet. Click on Change Adapter Options. Now click on your internet source. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So double click on it. Now click on Wireless Properties, Security. Check this box, Show Characters. That's it. Now click on OK. So like this, you can easily check your internet password for your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.